history. The distinguished history of the Golden Star Cadets formally began on September 3, 1936. It was the first to be organized anywhere in the Philippines. Immediately, it imposed upon itself a high standard of training and efficiency that it was proud to maintain over the years. Even at the fledgling age, the Cadet Corps has already developed into a first-class organization. It got the rating of superior in the first annual tactical inspection carried out by the Commonwealth Defense Department. This was the first of many other outstanding achievements for the years to come.
Ladies and gentlemen, the third commanding staff, headed by the Lieutenant Colonel Victor Ascawini, First Class.
World War II broke out on December 7, 1941. Class 1942 was the last class to undergo training among the pre-war classes. Many commanders went to the jungles of Bataan, the Central Luzon, in answer to a call of duty. Those volunteers fought the Japanese Imperial Army, some of them never to return. It showed the world the stuff the Martians are made of. Their patriotism and love of country flew high and mighty over the plains of Luzon, the fields and mountains of Bataan, and the shores of Corregidor. Incidentally, the university served as a prison camp for civilians and Allied prisoners of war. The end of the war and the restoration of the Philippine independence brought about the reorganization of the Corps. From the ashes of the old, a new, even more vibrant Corps emerged. The first Coast War cadets were organized during the first semester of the school year 1946-1947 under new rules and with a strength of more than 2,000 men. Major Manuel Cabal and Cadet Roberto Maravillas became the first Coast War Commandant and Corps Commander, respectively. It was in 1946 that the hallowed grounds of the USC were trampled over once again by the marching team. The cadets